Welcome to Barcelona, a city where every cobblestone tells a story and the sunlight dances on centuries of history. Today, we begin our journey. Join me in the heart of the old city, the ancient Gothic quarter. Here, the architecture is a living museum, blending medieval grandeur with a modern pulse. From the political power of Plaça de Sant Jaume to the hidden courtyards, there's magic around every corner of these winding paths. But before we dive deeper, if you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now look up. This is the Barcelona Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece that took 6 centuries to complete, its towers reaching toward the heavens. Inside the cloister, a sense of peace prevails, punctuated by the soft sounds of the legendary white geese that have lived here for centuries. Nearby, we pass under the Bishop's Bridge, a stunning neo-Gothic arch that is perhaps the most photographed spot in the entire quarter. Emerging from the quiet stone, we enter the river of life that is Las Ramblas, a mile-long walk where the city's energy is truly contagious. It is a place for artists, dreamers, and explorers. The air here is thick with the scent of fresh flowers from the historic stalls. Just off the main path lies the world-famous Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boqueria, a temple for the senses and a culinary heart. It's a kaleidoscope of flavors, from local cured meats to piles of fresh Mediterranean fruit, inviting you to savor every single discovery. Continuing our walk, we pass the Liceu Opera House, a grand symbol of the city's rich cultural and artistic heritage that continues to inspire. Don't forget to look down. Even the pavement is art, like this vibrant mosaic by the legendary artist Joan Miró, right under our feet. Tucked away nearby is Plaça Real, a stunning square that feels like an elegant oasis, away from the bustle of the main promenade. Here, you can see the first public works of Gaudí, a hint of the architectural wonders that we will explore later in our tour series. We reach the end of the promenade at the Columbus Monument, pointing toward the sea that has shaped Barcelona's history for millennia. The harbor breeze welcomes us, offering a refreshing conclusion to our walk through the historic old city's heart and soul. As the shadows lengthen, the city takes on a new, mysterious charm that has captivated travelers and poets for generations. But our journey is far from over. Next time, we'll leave the old city behind to witness the colorful genius of Gaudí in our next chapter. Thank you for walking with me today through timeless Barcelona. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.